Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxslay, and I'm going to be showing you guys these nail tutorials that were sent to me from Ft.Koo.pink. So of course you want to get started with fresh nails. This is me just unboxing it and taking the nails out because first things first is we are going to have to go ahead and size these up, because like I always tell you guys, you want to make sure you size it up first. You don't want to try to figure out which size fits as you're about to glue the nail on, because the last thing you want to do is glue the nail on and it doesn't work out. So here I am just pushing my cuticles back with the nails. So I like to use Gorilla Glue as well as my nail bond together. I feel like when I use both of them together, my nails last a whole lot longer because I like for my nails to last me at least a week. So now I am just filing them down to make sure they're clean and there's no like excess glue or anything like that on there. Now these nails did last me for almost like 2 weeks, okay? So this is my process every time. I apply my nail bond first and then I go in with my Gorilla Glue. And then you want to carefully place the nail on there. You want to make sure it's not crooked, because once you put it on there, it's hard to get it off, especially with this Gorilla Glue. It's like a super hold. I like to press on the nails for at least like 30 seconds to make sure that it's fully on there. This is just my process that I do every single time, and it works like a charm for me. And here we are just going to be repeating the same steps over and over and over. Really freaking easy, guys. Alright guys, so we are all done. This is the final look of the nails. I think they're super bomb, super pretty. I'm not the one for like matte nails typically, but I actually really love these. So definitely check out Ft.Koo.pink and definitely check out my discount code in the description box below. They are super affordable, super cute nails. So check them out. Let me know what you think. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.